In 2025, DevOps is still one of the best career moves. So here's the skills I would start with if I wanted to start over today. Number one, mastering Linux. Understand the CLI like your life depends on it. Bash, Linux, like I say this all the time, you can't get around it. You need to know it. Number two is learn Git. GitHub, Git, Garrett, GitLab, whichever one you pick, but you need to understand version control. You really need to understand how to use Git. You need to not only know how to push up your code, but you need to know how to resolve conflicts, how to merge branches, how to approve PRs. You need to understand Git and version control. And number three is containers, containers, containers. I really try to avoid this. It's not possible. You need to know Docker and you need to know Kubernetes. You need to understand how containers work. You need to know how to write a Docker file. You need to know how to build an image. You need to know how to run a container. It's not avoidable. Number four is cloud skills. Pick a provider and just stick with it. I pick AWS. You can pick whichever one you want. You don't need to know each provider, but you need to know one and you need to know it well. Number five is understanding pipelines, CI/CD pipelines. DevOps engineers, we always are doing work with our pipelines. We're building out pipelines, understanding from work, how does code go from somebody pushing it all the way to somebody being able to actually use the new feature code or whatever that was pushed up in the application. And if you don't know, I already made a YouTube video on that, so make sure you go check it out. But understanding pipelines, very important. DevOps is honestly about skill stacking. You don't really need to know every single tool because new tools come out every single day, but you need to have these basics. These are the fundamentals and build on top of that. So make sure you understand each one of these fundamentals if you want to start in DevOps today.